Hi guys, you're welcome back to the New Tech channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you how you can enter the copyright sign using your keyboard on Windows 11. Now the first thing is to go to the right place you'd want to key in copyright, whether it's your document or it's your editor, whatever it is you'd want to have the copyright sign inserted. Then the next thing you'd want to do is to click on the Windows button plus V on your keyboard, and this dialog box should pop up. So the next thing is to click on the most recently used icon to the left and then scroll down to the symbol section, and you should see the copyright symbol right there. So just go ahead and click on it and it should immediately be entered into your documents on Windows. So guys, there you have it. That's how to key in the copyright sign on Windows using your keyboard. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.